back to my channel, and yes, I am bringing you guys my third Walgreens haul. Now, I didn't get to do any of the number 7 deals. My store doesn't really carry a lot of that stuff on hand, so I didn't do it, but I ended up getting a lot of repeat deals. Plus, I ended up doing one deal that I haven't done prior this week that I was going to do last time I was there, but I forgot, so I will show you guys that. One thing is, since it's Thursday and I've already done these deals repeatedly, I am not going to write down the breakdowns for you guys. So if you guys want me to write down the breakdowns, you got to check out my other videos. Every time I do a Walgreens video, it takes me like an hour just to film it. Actually, it takes me almost 2 hours to film it, edit it, post everything. So just letting you guys know with that, but I'm here to show you guys what I got. So I did 3 separate transactions in my store. I was going to do more, but the store that I usually shop at, the one that's right down the road, the one that I always go to, I never have problems. Lately, and I posted this on my Facebook page, not my Deals by DesignerJen, but just my regular one. Benjamin, do not open that. I ended up, like, not... I don't know, I've just been feeling weird going there lately.
Okay, sorry,
like, I can't feel decides to open something I don't want him to open. But, lately, I've been feeling very uncomfortable going there. The employees, the regular cashiers, the beauty person, I love them. They know us by name, they know Ben by name. But the managers, they're really short with me. Like, the store manager, I never see her. I know who she is. She maybe says hi to me once in a while. There's one manager who he doesn't give a crap, and I'm sorry I'm getting really emotional over this, but he just doesn't give a crap, you know, like, they know sometimes I hold up the lines, and I'm like, I'm sorry. He's like, no, it's okay, and I'm like, well, I'm not keeping all this stuff, you know, they think that I keep all this stuff, and he's just like, no, it's okay, and he's always short with me, and I'm a very sarcastic person. I am very sarcastic. I love making people laugh. Like, I'm just that type of person. Benjamin, don't touch that. So it's like, you know, and then he's just like, whatever, it's okay, and I'm just like, I feel like he doesn't care. And then there's another manager who the employees don't like, but I think she's fine. You know, I don't think she judges me. I don't really have a problem with her. And then there's one manager there that's pretty cool. Like, I like him. His wife coupons. He understands. But I don't know, since I've been there the last couple weeks, I just feel like I don't want to go couponing. Like, they're the reasons why I sometimes don't want to go couponing. Like, I love couponing, and I think I'm going to start trying a different store. Now, there is one store that I do like shopping at, but one of the store managers follows me around like I'm shoplifting, and she knows what I'm doing. I don't have anything to hide. She can search my stuff all I care, but she's always following me around, and one of these days I will have enough balls to be like, what is your problem? And she's assistant store manager. She's not the actual store manager. And I know who the actual store manager is, but I don't know. I'm not trying to rabble on, but it's like, I feel like my normal store that I've been going to, like, they don't like it, and I'm not a shelf clearer. I don't clear the shelves. I do a couple of separate transactions, but I'm here to help people. I show you guys what's going on, and I donate stuff. I give people stuff all the time. Anytime I have friends and family come over, what do you want from the Jennifer store? What do you want? But I just been feeling very uncomfortable being there, like I'm being judged. And when I say something to, like, my favorite cashier, she's like, no, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. And I'm like, yeah, I should worry about it because you guys are talking about me behind my back, and I don't like it. So, enough with my rant. I know I shouldn't be making a big deal about it, but I'm sick of how I try to help people, and I'm the bad person. So, anyways, so what I ended up doing is I did 3 separate transactions. One was just all beauty. Another one was the herbal essence deal, because I wanted to do the spend 20. Now put these back. Go put those back. Go put those back and make sure you shut the door. I wanted to do the spend, was it 20 or 25, get 7,000 points. So I ended up doing that deal. So, and I don't know, I'll show you guys what I did in that transaction. Ben, just put them back in the freezer, honey. My kid is driving me nuts, you guys. I need a vacation from my kid. But what I ended up doing is I did one transaction with, it's probably this one. I don't know, you guys, but I'm just going to show you guys what I got, and I'm not even going to do the breakdowns for you. But what I ended up doing is, like, the Pantene I bought 6 Pantenes, I bought the Herbal Essence, and I bought Schick razors in one transaction, so that was my beauty thing. But I ended up doing the Tide Pods. My store only limited me 2 of each coupon. I'm like, that's fine, you guys do whatever you guys need to do, I'm not going to argue. She's like, we can come back tomorrow, and I'm like, I don't know. So I ended up just getting the 2 pods, and then I got 2 of the liquids. These were $4.99. You guys want to use 2 of those $3 off coupons for each one. You guys would pay $7.96. You get 5,000 points. Comes out to be $2.96 or just 74 cents a piece, which I think is a really good deal. Now, and I don't know why my store had tons and tons in stock, but she's like, she must have closed that night. She knew that I used a bunch of coupons. She's like, well, can I read the coupons that you used the other day? I says, yeah, you can read them. I'm not hiding anything. And she's like, well, these coupons say you can only use 2 per item or whatever per day. And she's like, so you can't buy this other stuff. I says, that's fine, I'll go put it on the shelf. No, we'll go put it on the shelf. I says, no, I'll put it on the shelf. If you guys won't let me buy it, I'll go put it on the shelf. I'm not making a big deal about it, you know. She's like, no, it's our job to put stuff. I'm like, no, I'll put it on the shelf. I work retail. I know how it is, but I don't know. I'm just getting sick of that store. I'm really getting sick of that store, and I hate it because it should, you know, shopping should make it fun. And these people are making it, like, make me feel very uncomfortable. So, Garde Fructis, these are 2 for, what, $7. There is a 4 off of 2 coupon that you guys want to use that we just got this past Sunday's paper. Plus, there is a $1 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet. You guys would just get these for 50 cents a piece. So, I wanted to do that deal. Now, I had a box to put all this stuff in, but my husband took it, so I got to put everything back in the bags. I ended up getting the Twix candy bars. Now the specialty ones are 2 for $1. You guys want to use that buy one get one free coupon that we had on coupons.com. I'm not sure if it's still available anymore, but that coupon does take off 75 cents. So you guys will get both of these for just 25 cents. So that's like what, 12.5 cents a piece, which is a pretty good deal. I ended up doing where I bought the same deal that I did last time. I bought 4 Herbal Essence, 4 Head and Shoulders, and I bought 4 Pantene Pro Vs. I'm not going to explain the breakdowns for you guys for that transaction because it's just a nightmare. But I did get, you know, the 4 Pantenes and the 4 Herbal Essence, and you end up getting 12,000 points back. And I did use the I did 2 of the 4 off 2 for Herbal Essence. I did 2 of the 4 off of 2 for the Head and Shoulders. And I did 1 of the 5 off of 3. And I did 1 of the Pantene. So I ended up getting all this shampoo and conditioner for a pretty good price. But if you guys would buy the Herbal Essence, you guys would end up paying $9.96 for the final price after points if you guys bought 4 of the Herbal Essence. If you guys bought Head and Shoulders, you guys would pay $11.46 after the 3,000 points is factored in. So I wanted to do that deal. That deal is so hard to explain, you guys, and I did do it in my last video. So if you guys want to check that out, I'm sorry for being short, but my kid is driving me nuts, and I'm really upset over the store for, you know, they're not being mean. They're just making me very uncomfortable. Like, they don't like me shopping at that store. Because I've heard them bash other couponers, and I feel like I'm going to be one of them or something. I mean, I've been shopping at that store for 2 years, so we'll see how that goes. I ended up having, I got one more bag. And then the Schick deal I want to share with you guys. Now the Schick deals, these are 2 for $6. Now we do have those $3 off coupons that you guys were able to print off of coupons.com. Plus there is a $6 digital coupon. You guys would end up using 2 of the physical and 1 of the digital for $3 off. You guys would just pay $9 for 3 of these. But then you guys can submit $1 off of Ibotta times 3. So that's $3 back what you guys would get from Ibotta. Plus you guys will get 3,000 points for spending $15. Then you get each one for $1. I think that's a great deal, and I always try to get the ones with the bonuses. So this said 4 plus 2. So that is the deal that I wanted to do last week, but I never got a chance, or I forgot to cut my coupons off and share with you guys. But again, I also have more of the Pantene Pro V, so I ended up doing 6 of those. So I used 2 of the $5 off of 3 coupon. So I ended up doing that deal. And I don't know, I might go back to Walgreens tomorrow just because I want to buy another thing of Tide, but I don't know. I have a feeling they're going to say something to me. So if they say something to me, I'll get corporate involved. I'm not afraid. I can figure out who the district manager is, because any Walgreens should not make you feel uncomfortable. And if they do, you don't always have to call corporate, but every store has a store manager, and then above them they have a district manager. So there's like an actual store manager that hits a bunch of stores. So if you guys ever feel uncomfortable or stores are giving you crap, try to find that number. If you have to call corporate and ask for that person's number, go for it. Or even ask your store for the district manager, because they should be treating the way you guys. I've been hearing so many people having nightmare stories from Walgreens, and there's people out there that cheat the system and ruin the system, and it's like they're ruining it for others. You know, there's people who misuse coupons like crazy, and it's like you guys are ruining it for people, but like the honest people, which most of us are just being honest and helping people, and we're the ones who are getting screwed. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up with that. But one of my transactions came to $27.06. I ended up getting 24,000 points back, which is equivalent to 26 bucks. I forgot to do the math for all that stuff. But my second transaction was $14.63. The $27.06 was all the shampoo and conditioner. But the transaction number 2 was $14.63. I ended up getting 16,000 points back in that transaction. Now I hit beauty, I think, in all 3 transactions. Now another thing is, when you guys pay with points, and you guys pay with points, depending on how much points you take out, that they take that away from beauty. So what happens if you have like $100 and you redeem like $50 worth of points, but then you guys use about $20 worth of coupons, you guys will still get the $50 difference. But when you guys pay with coupons, that counts as your total. I'm not trying to confuse you, but if you guys always pay with points for beauty, you don't get your full amount. So if you guys don't pay with points, I don't know. I don't really care for beauty. I don't pay attention for that. I always pay attention for the bonuses and everything. So like if I bought $50 worth of beauty and I paid $40 in points, yeah, I only get $10 back in beauty points, but I don't care. It adds up, and I buy a lot of beauty stuff. So just letting you guys know that. My transaction number 3 was only $4.99. I ended up getting 5,000 points back in that transaction. I think it was because I hit beauty in that transaction. So if you add up all 3 totals, it came to $46.68. I ended up getting $47 in points, but if you truly look at the back of the receipt, which I don't have one near me, $50 worth of points is 40,000 points, and then like 18,000 is $20 in points, and 35, or was it 40,000 is, I can't remember what it, I think it's 40,000 is, or whatever. But I technically got $57 back in points. So if you guys thinking about it, it was a $10.32 moneymaker. But then I also submitted my receipt for Ibotta for $3.25 because I had a 25-cent any receipt. So it came out to be a $13.57 moneymaker. I think this week was probably one of the best weeks that I've had at Walgreens because of all the points that I got, and I'm getting stuff that I've been really wanting to get in my stockpile, and that is shampoo and conditioner. I have people all the time want shampoo and conditioner, and I never have it. So I'm so excited to do that deal, but I hope you guys liked my Walgreens haul. Sorry for being, you know, a negative Nancy, but I just need to get stuff off my chest, and I feel you guys know how I feel. You guys are in the same boat as me. If I complain to like normal people, they don't know what I'm going through. They have no idea, but I just wanted to share with you guys, and if you guys have been in the same situation, let me know. You know, it makes me feel better that you guys are having the same similar stories. But if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns about how your store treats you, please let me know, because I don't know, I kind of want to start getting some things involved, because and most employees don't know how the point system works. They don't know how the beauty system works. They don't know how this works. They don't know how that works. And it's like, I feel like the employees or the management needs to help their employees understand it a little bit better. And if they did, it would understand us a little better. But yes, I just want to say thanks you guys for watching, and I will see you guys all on Sunday for my Walgreens haul. See you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.